Good Erev Shabbat. And this evening is going to be the 44th day of Sefirat HaOmer. So my first thing is to remind you to set up a reminder, because again, the most difficult time to stay steady with Sefirat HaOmer is Friday night, Shabbat night. You've lit your candles, you're ready to go, the Seudah is happening, things are coming and going, and the men might have counted Sefirat in shul, but how are you going to remember? So I like to put a little reminder just before Kiddush, because when we light our Shabbos candles, it's too early. But by Kiddush, that's the right time. So if I've forgotten to count until then, I have my reminder. So it's going to be the 44th day this evening. And as I mentioned yesterday, we are in Malchut week. We are standing before Hashem. We are in the last week of Sefirat HaOmer. We are just standing at the foot of Har Sinai. And this week embodies everything that we've been working on the entire time. So we're trying to be in our Malchut, to be in our splendor, to be in our Bat Melech energy. And today is Gevurah Sheba Malchut. So Gevurah is strength. And what we're going to do to use our Bat Melech energy for strength is one time over this evening and over Shabbat, one time dedicate when somebody talks to you before you answer. Just take a pause. Take a tiny little pause. If you notice, like the royal family or something of England, they oftentimes, they're asked a question and they don't just rush into answering. They take a pause. It is a very regal thing to do, to take a pause. And that pause, if more politicians and more people would take a pause before answering, if I would take a pause before answering, it would save us all a lot of heartache. It is definitely a very regal, a very Bat Melech thing to do. So again, your challenge at one point is to dedicate that little pause to asking HaKadosh Baruch Hu to help you feel more like his daughter, to help you feel more like the princess and the amazing daughter of Hashem that you are. Shabbat Shalom, and bye for now.